Hello everyone, in this presentation we will be talking about Rumex obtusifolius. Broadleaf dog is scientifically known as Rumex obtusifolius. It belongs to the family Polygonaceae or smartweed family. It is native to Eurasia and Asia. It is an erect, herbaceous perennial and a nitrophilous or nitrogen-loving weedy species. Habitat: Broadleaf dog is found in widely different plant communities and habitats, such as in disturbed areas, pastures, riverbanks, and open moist places, and is a major weed of gardens and arable land. As aforementioned, an open habitat is needed for seedling establishment. Concern or impact: it grows rapidly in areas dominated by native species. Therefore, there is a high risk of the native species getting displaced. It is also a host to a number of viruses, fungus, and nematodes. Identification or description: leaves. Initially, it consists of a rosette of basal leaves. These low leaves are oblong to oval in shape, can grow up to 1 inch long and 4 inches across. Their petioles are long and slender, while their blades are oblong-ovate or oblong-corded. They are slightly undulate along the margins and glabrous or smooth. One or more flowering stalks develop from the rosette with leaves. These colline leaves alternate along the flowering stalks. They are similar in appearance to the basal leaves, although somewhat shorter in length and more narrow. Their petioles are also shorter. The stalks are round, slightly ribbed, and glabrous. They often have prominent longitudinal veins that are tinted red. At the base of the leaf stalk is a brownish papery sheath or ochrea that surrounds the stem and mostly disintegrates with maturity or dry off. Stems. Stems are stout, erect. They grow single or multiple from the base, mostly unbranched except in the flower clusters, ribbed and hairless, though may be rough along the ridges. Flowers. The flowers droop downward from pedicels about half an inch in length when they are fully developed. Each flower is about 1/4 inch long, consisting of 6 sepals, that is 3 inner and 3 outer sepals, and has no petals. It is monoecious and has staminate and pistillate flowers on the same plant. Both types of flowers are intermingled on the racemes. The male flowers have 6 stamens and inner sepals that are dull yellow, while the female flowers have a pistil and inner sepals that are often red. As the female flowers develop, their inner sepals become enlarged and surround a single tubercle or hard-coated seed. Seeds. A flower produces a single seed. The hard-coated seeds are ovoid-oblongoid. They are rather large in size and surrounded by membranous inner sepals, can float on water or blow about in the wind, which aids in its dispersal. The plant can produce up to 60,000 seeds per annum. Its primary mode of reproduction is by seed. The plant usually seeds in their second year. Seeds become viable from milk stage onwards. They can persist in undisturbed soil for 50 plus years, and usually has a large seed bank in farmed lands. Seed dispersal. Seed will pass through animals and remain viable, and therefore can be spread in slurry and manner. Seeds can also be carried by wind, on animals, on machinery, and in water. Long-distance seed spread occurs as a contaminant in crop seed, feed, straw, and manure. Fruit. Is tripartite or three-sided. Is oval-corded or oval-deltoid in shape. Margins are membranous and have 2 to 4 spiny teeth. In sunlight, fruits often turn bright red and are rather colorful. Root. The root system consists of a stout taproot, and the plant can also regenerate from cut underground roots.